here we are. Me and JoJo's new little project. And we have this pool back here under a waterfall. It's not very big. Kind of just big enough to sit in. But it is overrun with fica and vines and shit. We're gonna clean it up. Make it look pretty. Oh, don't drop the camera. Don't drop the camera. This is a little waterfall right next to it. Very scenic, very pretty. And then back there is the goal. Getting through all of this is the obstacle. I don't trust them. It's unfortunate that I live in such a vertical place. I'll turn you around. Look at that. Straight up. That's most of here. It goes back pretty far.
Huh?
It goes back pretty far. I just don't trust how my tripod is standing at all. Okay. So the plan is to clean up enough that we can just walk right up to the waterfall instead of all this shit. Because all of this has thorns that pierce through boots, leather, probably steel.
Wanna go for it? Okay.
There's another crab down there. Can you see it? He does not want me to mess with him. Okay. I switched to my iPhone because I crawled back here. JoJo and the camera back there. Say hi, JoJo!
No.
But it's prettier than I could have ever pictured, to ever wish for on this property. Let me get up there. Hold on. Damn! And I mean damn!
Fucking cray-cray.
Okay, so it's like a little enclave. It's like a waterfall. In our backyard!
Yeah, right?
And then it falls down into a slightly smaller pond. It's like a shower. What's this? What's this?
Yeah.
It's kind of pretty, right?
Yeah, it's like an interest, right?
Yeah, it's like wood. Looks better. It looks so much prettier.
Right?
I'm gonna pull some stuff away.
Thank you. Good.
It's just like...
Oh, shit. Okay?
I don't know. Well, this camera just got demoted to moving 10 feet back. What? Fucking bugs, man. Oh, there's some shiny rocks down here.
Alright.
Where was it? There. Yes. Come on. Well, it looks pretty damn good. Yep. Feel like now all we need is a rock. Like a step. How big do you think the rock needs to be? Might end up being like multiple rocks.
Yeah, I think so.
It's making a step to get up. Is it better?
Yeah. A little more or something.
Just a little more something? Getting you a cold beer when we get back. Jesus. Perfect! We'll probably work on it a bit more, but now we have the route cleared and we can get up there and we can get in there. And we checked it out, checked it for snakes and bugs. I give it the safety check, or safety approval. We are on our way back. We went and changed in, well, JoJo was already in his bathing suit, but I changed into my bathing suit. We got some beer so we could enjoy the waterfall. It's stinky over here. Rotten fruit smell. Rotten fruit.
If we like the card.
Okay. Okay. Here, did you check my phone? We've had a very cold dip in the little puddle at the end of the waterfall. Ice cold.
Yeah.
I switched to my phone on the way back because she sprays. You see? Yeah, she sprays. And cameras are not even like supposed to get condensation on them. So I was too scared. And lower quality, so be it, I guess.
Yeah. Water in my boot.
Not the water!
Water!
Not in your swimmers.
Excuse me.
Oh my god, it's all balled up. No. My feet are so damp. It was a success. Look, it's so much cleaner. And we can get back here now, thanks to JoJo's step creation. We showed my dad pictures and videos and he seemed really excited about it, so that tells me big things to come for the waterfall. Thank you for watching us be dorky.